Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now counting numbers. It's first rate of 1 and use blue color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids, nitro 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H T 8. It's again use yellow color and draw 9, M I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. Kids, nitro 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. Twelve. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, again use red color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, nitro 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. Black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. It's again use black color and draw 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.